I'm very excited about the European market. There is a lot of entrepreneurs with an impact.
Entrepreneurship for me is finding a creative solution for tough problems, and there's never been a better time to prove that you are an entrepreneur than today.
This situation in the world is an entrepreneurship organization. We don't know what happens. We don't know where it goes. There's huge risks. What do we do? To me, entrepreneurship is taking responsibility in a situation where you don't have control.
What you really need is to rally your team and really think, together as one team to go through that crisis together.
Create a sense of, hey, we're all in this together. We're all owners of the company.
Set a goal, be confident about this goal, and never give up. And if you manage to do that, you're going to find the right people who believe in you.
As investors, we will focus on the companies and founders that are building meaningful companies and solving big problems.
Always have long enough runway, take ample time to talk to investors, always be raising.
We are focusing again on true entrepreneurship, on technology, and also on product-led companies, which is making a difference.
We need to build for the future, and I think 2023 will be the perfect year to look forward and to build for something better.